Hey everyone, welcome back. Missy's got the dog.
I do.
What are you doing with the dog?
I was giving him to you.
Why are you giving him to me?
Put him in the bag.
Well, just put him on his leg. Ground. He's got feet.
Ew.
Put him on the ground.
There's a spot for him right there.
He's got feet though.
There's a spot for him, I made.
He has feet.
I know he does.
Okay, come on, buddy. Oh, you got a bug on your nose. Hold on, he's got a bug on his nose. Look. Oh, you got a mosquito on your nose, Archie. Why'd you have a mosquito on your nose?
Okay.
See, Mommy made you a spot. And we have the Chihuahuas with us today. And Archie, hey, look at the spot Mommy made you. Okay, let me talk to Missy first, okay? Let me talk to Mommy. I gotta talk to Mommy. Are you gonna talk to Mommy, Daddy? What are you gonna talk to Mommy for? So, welcome to the channel, everyone. Missy's with us today. And Missy, why don't you tell the fine folks what we're doing?
Going camping.
We're going camping for the first time together. Not in an RV. All of our stuff's back there in the back of Toyota. We're going tent camping. Did you bring the tent?
Yes.
We got the tent. Okay. We're on our way here. We're going to Prince Edward Island today. We're going to go across the big bridge. My first time ever going to Prince Edward Island.
My second time.
Good for you. That's my first
Well,
time.
you said first. I'm just saying it's my second time.
I know.
Well, good for you.
What?
Good for you. Good for you.
Good for you. Yeah, I said good for you.
Yeah, good for you.
Okay, let's go. Stopped here at this Petro-Canada station along Trans-Canada Highway number 16. Just a little bit towards the Confederation Bridge. Allen's Country Corner Gifts. They're the big lineup for the bathroom. Yeah. Big lineup.
You said yeah, and there's only 2 bathrooms.
There's Archie in his spot. Hey, Arch.
Okay, turn it on. It's getting hot.
What's he doing? Are you okay back there? Oh, Daddy, just getting comfortable, you know. Mommy made this spot for me. And there's the Chihuahuas. All in their nice little carrier, all comfortable. Okay, everyone, so we're heading to Prince Edward Island camping for the first time as a married couple. Not in an RV. Tent camping. Should be interesting. Got to put up with Missy for the whole weekend in a tent. She's going to be really enjoying it. She's going to really be fun. She always is. She's a barrel of laughs sometimes. That loving wife of mine. She's not on the camera, so she's just on the other side of the camera. So she's hearing every word I say. And she's making faces in the background. Anyway, we're off to Red Point Provincial Park on the northeastern side of Prince Edward Island. So we're got a couple hours still to go. We just did our fuel stop, got some drinks, and we're just about to hit the Confederation Bridge. Anything intelligent you want to say, Missy?
No.
Nothing from Miss Missy. Nothing from the peanut gallery. All right, Archie, anything you want to say? No, Daddy, I'm sleeping. Okay. About to get on the bridge here going to PEI. And the toll, just for your knowledge, there's no toll going into PEI, but they get you coming out. $50.25 is the toll. $50. That rivals New York City. So, pretty pricey coming off the island. And over here on the where the camera's pointing, that's Cape German. That's a nature area. There's a lighthouse there. The Trans-Canada Trail goes through there. And we're coming up onto the bridge. And if you go back and look at some of my POTA videos, you'll see us at Cape German on a couple of occasions. 50 plus years of my life, and I've never been in PI until today. Kind of a nice feeling. Hey, Missy?
Sure.
Yeah. And Archie's never been in PI either. I know, Daddy. I've never been here either. You've always gone with you wherever you go. You're right, Archie. You're right. You're in PI. Oh, I know, Daddy. He told me we were going to PI. Yeah, so here we are, folks. Welcome to Prince Edward Island. My first time ever here. Super excited. Super excited by this. Never been to PI before. So,
No, it's your first time.
say that again?
I said, no, it's your first time.
How'd you know that, Missy?
Oh, I think you've mentioned it once or twice.
Yeah, you may be right. Okay, we'll sit back and enjoy the trip, guys. We're not almost to the campground. We got a little bit of ways to go here. $75.8 per liter for gas here in Prince Edward Island. So I'm happy that we filled up in New Brunswick at $169.8. Still very, very expensive. We're just stopped here because of construction up the street here. We haven't moved in like 5 minutes, waiting for the construction guy to turn the sign to slow. Well, there's a sight you don't see every day. Missy wearing a Bills hat. And Archie's over there. Hey, Arch. Archie's and the Chihuahuas are there. So we stopped at this Speedy Takeout place for a burger along the side of Highway 2 at this urban gas station. How good it's going to be, but Missy's hungry. So we're going to stop and get something to eat. Yeah, I'm hungry too. Yeah, we're just here. Canadian Chinese food takeout right there. Along the side of Highway 2 here on PI. So, it's almost ready. Speedy Takeout. That's the name of the place. Speedy Takeout. You pay in the yellow, you order in the yellow hut and you go pay in the gas station. All right, let's check these things out. Oh, don't they look yummy? I'll have to ask Missy how she likes hers in a second when she's done eating her bite there. I don't want to catch her in the middle of a bite. So, Missy, how was that first bite of that burger?
Very good.
Yeah, really good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, so we stopped at the Speedy Takeout on Highway 2 between Souris and Charlottetown. Highly recommend if you're driving on Highway 2 to stop in here at the Irving. See the yellow building and go eat your burger because they're great. They have fish and chips and Chinese as well. Let's see if this piece of meat is Archie approved. Archie? Archie? Come on. Yeah, it's Archie approved. Real cheese too, look at that. Not that processed cheese slice stuff. And really good cheese. My goodness, it's so good. You gotta have a bite. It's really, really good. Oh my goodness, that was super yummy, eh, Missy?
Yeah, it was one of the better burgers I've had.
Best burger I've had in a long time. Mm-hmm. So happy we didn't stop at McDonald's.
Well, I like McDonald's too, but...
Yeah, well, that burger was better than McDonald's.
Yeah, it was.
You know what that burger reminded me of? That one we had in Houston. At that smash burger place.
Oh, yeah.
That was good like that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on our way. Meal stop. We still gotta miss Missy wants a coffee.
Yeah, I do.
Just think of the HF propagation with all that salt water there. Somebody's gonna have some fun this weekend, I think.